Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love, forever true. Johnny was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say. Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love, forever true. Slowly I read her note once more. I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops feel like rain that day. When I told Johnny what I had to say. Johnny, Johnny, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I am 22. And Johnny, I just can't wait for you. Soon I'll leave our little hometown. Get me a job and try to settle down. But these words keep taunting my memory. The words that Johnny said to me. Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love, forever true. I picked my clothes and I caught the flame. Had to see Jody, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Jody if she married me. I ran all the way to a house next door. Things weren't like they were before. My teardrops feel like rain that day when I heard what Johnny had to say. Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend, John. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next record. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang pamagat ng Don't